Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Developer Hut and welcome to the next topic of Go for Beginner series. So as of now, we saw how to create the variables and how to create the multiple variables. So now we will see what are the basic variable naming rules available in a Go. So these are the basic Go variable naming rules. So the first is all your variable name must start with either letter or the underscore. So that's the important thing. Then your variable name cannot start with a digit. That's important. Otherwise, it will be a compile time error. Your variable name can contain alphanumeric character as well as underscore, which is ranging from small case to capital case, 0 to 9 and underscore. And then the most important thing is all the variable names which you are creating are case sensitive in nature. So this variable age, capital H and completely capitalized H, all these variables are different in your program. So my suggestion is to avoid the give the same name to the variables. Okay. Then there is no limit on the length of the variable name. You can create any length of variable name. The last two important thing is your variable name cannot contain the spaces as well as it should not contain the reserved Go keywords. Otherwise, it will be compile type error. So these are the variable naming rules in a Go. Now, whenever you go for multi-word variable names, then there are certain techniques that you can follow in your program. Maybe if you are coding regularly, then maybe you are already following it, but I think it's a good information to share. So there are different kind of cases which are available in the language. These are not the language specific, but you can follow this so you can enhance the readability of your code. So the first is camel case. So in camel case, each letter except the first one starts with the capital case. So for example, let's say I will say where user first name is, let's say it's a string and is equal to John, right? So this type of case, variable case is the camel case. Okay. The next is the Pascal case, which is so in Pascal case, all the variable names are start with capital. Okay, because this is the multi-word keyword, so you can simply use the all the capital letter of each word, right? Then the third is the snake case. So in snake case, all the words in a variable are separated by the underscore character. So for example, let's say I will say user underscore first underscore name, and then I will say it should be where, right? And I will say John. Okay, so basically this is the snake case. So these are very important in terms to enhance your code readability. In my experience, what I mostly follow is the camel case, okay, and the snake case. But it totally depend on your coding guidelines that you have given during the development. So make sure that you should follow any one of this case so that you can enhance the readability of your code. So what these are? These are basically a multi-word variable names. So I hope you understand the variable naming rules as well as these multi-word variable name cases. If you have any question or doubts, you can add it in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.